This is going to be our first Blender project. We're going to keep it easy. We're going to keep it short. It's not going to be a full explanation of everything, right? Just learn a few things. Now, if you are on a school computer, you probably have Blender installed through Software Center. If you don't, come get me. So I'm going to go here down to search because you might not know where your Blender is. You might not have an icon. And I'm going to do BLE, and that's Blender. Yours might be like 4.5, 4.7, whatever. I think it's 4.5 is the highest now. But they'll all be fine as long as it's not like version 3. All right, we get this splash screen. You just click over here to get rid of it. I have a few things in my world. I got a camera, I got a cube, I got a light source. Let's get rid of all of it. And I am in object mode. Keep this in mind because we're going to switch back and forth. In object mode, I'm going to hit A. It's going to select everything. I'm going to hit the delete key, right? Or X. X will work. If we hit X, boom, delete. Yeah. Let's say we want that cube. How do we get another cube? Oh, well, in object mode, go to add, mesh, and then I'm going to look for the cube. There's a cube. I'm going to click it. We got a cube. Now I want to actually work on the cube itself. So we're going to go object mode to edit mode, right? We're going to edit the cube and everything is selected. If you click like these little points, right? These are called vertices and you'll notice they're highlighting. That's because we have vertex select on, right? If you go to line, you're going to see lines being selected. And if you go to face, you're going to see the face selected. Let's stay on that for now. Let's go over here and we're going to learn extrude, right? And I'm going to pull this out. And now we have essentially a block that's cut in half. Let's go ahead and go to the top. And now I'm going to extrude again upward. That's pretty cool. Maybe extrude again this way. Maybe I want to cut this in half without extruding. I can go to loop cut. And then I'm going to click, and then it's going to keep adding loops if you let it. Just go back to whatever you want. I'm going to go to extrude. Just remember, it defaults to line select if you did the loop cut. So go ahead and hit this little face select. And boom, look at that. That's pretty cool. And maybe we'll do another loop cut. Let's go down here. Let's loop cut it this way. Go back to extrude. Remember, we got to hit our face. Maybe come out, grab that face, click it, bring it out. Maybe get this, bring it out. You do all kinds of cool stuff, right? So that's basically our Ductosaurus. If you got this far, then you could turn this in. This is an A, right? You have loop cuts, you have extrudes. So if you're in my class, just go down to the search bar here, click on that, SN, snipping tool, new, just drag it across. Now this is going to be in your screenshots folder under your pictures folder on your Windows machine. You get your Schoology, submit assignment, upload, find it, and just hit the submit.